Today on Ridge Roamer, now that I've got the upper and lower crash bars and metal skid plate installed, I'm going to add some additional lighting. I've had these yellow auxiliary lights laying around. I bought some horizontal bar clamp mounts from Nylite to fit 3/4, 1 inch, and 1.25 inch bars. And I'm going to get these lights installed here inside this crash bar to add some additional lighting. Now this right here is basically what I'm going for look wise. I know it gets it pretty close to the exhaust manifold, but this does have a full metal housing. So let's take a look and see how these clamps are going to fit. I really like the protection of having them inside and mounted further back. So I think I'm going to try to make that work. Now that we've got the first light installed, looks like there's plenty of room between the header and the light, so I don't think we're going to have any problem with this metal housing light. Got everything tightened down. We'll go ahead and do exactly the same thing on the other side. You do always want to do this side first since it has the exhaust. Make sure your spacing is good. But now we'll move to the other side, get that one done. Now that I've got the mounts and both lights on the upper crash bars, everything's secured down. Looks like it should be pretty good from up top too, won't be in the way of anything. Now that that is all mounted up, we'll move forward with the wiring. Now I've got a handlebar switch, just ordered off of Amazon, bolted on to the left hand side there, ran the wire down through the cable stay along with all the other wires, came down, wired everything into the lights right here under the front of the tank, got everything cleaned up, ran them under the tank, took this little side cover off here, which is just an Allen bolt there, and then you slide it forward off of a stay up front, and then got everything wired in. Yes, I've got a lot of wires already. Most of this wiring is for this Chiggy, this tech package, and then battery tender, and now these lights. So I got that all wired in, fuse, all that good stuff, and we'll put the seat back on. Then we'll take it outside, see how these lights do once it starts getting a little darker. Not real dark out yet, but get a few. Let's see, headlight. Headlight, high beam, which is very concentrated, and now the lights I just added. Nice, gets a lot lower. I can re-aim them, of course, but what I really wanted to go for here is more light filling in course, the adjustment in the light of what you see here is the camera adjusting the light sensitivity. Should provide additional visibility for other vehicles to see me. Let's be honest, looks cool and gives additional lighting as I'm riding. Nice. All right, well, very happy with that. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Ride safe.